The marking and the analytics part of the Sapphire platform can really add useful data that can be used in the classroom. In the marking list, you have access to all of the scripts. You select a student to start marking. So in the marking page, scroll down to read the student's response. Select the tools in the toolbar to add comments to the response, or drag a comment from the bank. This is a great time saver because you can build the comment bank as you go. No need to repetitively write out the same comment as you might when you're marking via paper. And there's other tools like highlighting and clicking on rubrics, which all add up to detailed and specific feedback for your students, focusing on areas where they can improve and also letting your teachers know areas that need help. Sometimes as teachers we might be stuck. We're not sure what to give as a specific mark. With the benchmark responses feature, we can simply bring up all marked responses categorized into the mark that was given. So we can see the benchmark for different marks awarded. Once we've done this, we can confidently assign a mark to the response and record it in the system. The result is that the student gets detailed, specific feedback about their assessment. The tabs on the left-hand side allows us to access specific questions or specific students with the click of a button. As we can see, the student results can then be displayed in a really easy to read format. As a marker, if you have an issue or you're not sure which way to jump with a particular question, the Sapphire system allows you to message other markers or perhaps even give a warning about something that you have noticed. The end result being specific, targeted, detailed feedback to your students and to your staff. Let's have a look at the analytics section of the Sapphire platform. Once your markers have started, you can follow or monitor them in the marking process, and this is a great tool when the markers are not in the same location. Student results can be analysed from an overview at a high level right down to a more detailed set of information by question. Student performance can easily be tracked as Sapphire allows for more detailed analysis, where students can be listed showing how they performed in each question. The platform makes great use of color coding to assist you in understanding the data at a glance. The same data can be displayed in graphical format for the whole cohort or by class, showing the mark distribution and performance in each question. This allows for immediate comparisons between classes in a cohort, which is very complex to do in a paper marking environment. Sapphire also makes moderated marking easy. For example, you could double mark a selection of questions, or you could set up a group of representative students to mark in a pilot, making sure everybody's on the same page. Teachers can then mark simultaneously. Sapphire collects the marks and displays the marking results in a table where it's easy for teachers to compare their work. The discrepancies between double markers are color-coded, and that makes it easy to see what needs your attention. It'll save you time and give you much more insight than marking in the traditional paper-based manner. But you can get lots more than that. The assessment creation and review becomes really easy as Sapphire shows what rubrics, techniques, outcomes and topics have been selected, and the graphical display lets you refine your questions to create a more balanced and effective assessment as you go. This is real-time data that lets you set up the very best assessment that you can. For each assessment, Sapphire shows student performance within each of the options. The data can be aggregated with other assessment results so that curriculum data can be continually analysed for each student. All in all, the powerful analytics of the Sapphire system make it a must-have for you and your team. contact us for a demonstration.